I think we have 3D printers in space right now that they're testing, but using conventional materials, just like we would with these very simple machines we have on the Earth. I think what Bob is talking about is really using in situ resource utilization, basically creating the feedstock using what we have, the regolith that we have on the surface of Mars, is something that we have to look at. And I think they've had a couple of competitions just recently where students around the country in the United States were trying to do just that.
So in terms of what's flying